So in this kayak tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a round trip flight here on kayak.com. So once you open up kayak.com, I want you to make sure that flights over here is selected. Once that is done, I want you to go down to where it says one way. Now for me, if you go ahead and press on this, you can go ahead and change this to a round trip right here. Then once you have the round trip flight selected, you have to select where you're flying from. So I'll just go Vancouver, go where you're going to. So I'll just go ahead here, and how about I search up Los Angeles? Los Angeles as an example, then select your date. So if you wanted to go, August 1st to August 4th as an example, you can also choose your travelers, and if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on the orange search button. It'll then redirect you to a new page here. Now, once you're on this page, it'll actually show you some different round trip flight options at your disposal. So you can go ahead and search this, or I guess filter this by flight price. You can also go down to stops, nonstop, etc. Check bags. There's a bunch of different filters on the left-hand side of your screen that you can explore for yourself. But you can also just go to this page right here and look at a variety of different flights. So if you just want to go ahead here, for example, and go on this one right here, it actually is the cheapest. There's your flight to, your flight from, and if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on select. Now once you're on this page, you can select your type of fare and then just scroll down to where it says choose where you want to book, and you can actually see which websites are offering which prices based on who you book these round trip flights from. So if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on book on whatever one you're looking for and then book the round trip flight that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book round trip flights on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.